Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain material respiration of cricket and sports. My name is Virgin Fortuna. My ID 4404119006 Biology Education B Semarang State University. Competing interest in the real material respiration invites students to understand how living beings do respiration in carrying out their daily activities. According to some scientists, the concept of respiration is important in biology. Introduction. Respiration using KOH and cotton is intended so that animals do not come into direct contact with KOH. Living beings can breathe in oxygen from outside and release carbon dioxide. KOH function to speed up the respiration rate. Objective: to show the existence of the respiration process in living beings. Methods: the research method used is the experimental method. Putting KOH into the respirator, put in enough cotton, considering to get the size of each cricket and bean spots, entering the living beings to be observed, or cricket and bean spots, adding Vaseline on the border of the two caps, gluing the two, crossing the ends of the respirator, adding eosin using a pipette and observing the change in motion of eosin per minute. Observation table. Result and discussion. Male cricket and bigger than females because KOH is hydrophilic. So, the water or H2O from respiration will be absorbed by KOH. Carbon dioxide and the rest of the cricket metabolism are burned by KOH to become potash and water or H2O. The reaction is KOH and carbon dioxide become K2CO3 or potash and H2O or water. Has the largest volume because it is a gas, whereas the potash is solid. As a result, the carbon dioxide in the tube filled with cricket will decrease because of the carbon dioxide installed in potash or K2CO3. At the end of the pipe, eosin is used as an indicator and separator of the air in the tube and the air outside in the tube. The mass of the cricket affects the respiratory rate. Cricket with a mass of 0,653 gram, the respiratory rate from the third to the 5th minute increased, and in the second cricket which had a lower mass, namely 0,587 gram, which was not given KOH. The respiration rate was slower. Sports with fewer individual numbers require less oxygen than larger sports, which causes eosin to run more slowly. Conclusion: respiration in cricket and sport prove in the existence of respiration by taking oxygen from the environment, which is characterized by the movement of eosin solution. Eosin function as an indicator of the oxygen inhaled by the experimental organism in the respiratory tract. Analysis journal. The first journal, simple respirometers can be made using recycled material. The second journal, the oxygen consumption rate of test animals in the respiration experiment, is determined more at the time of observation compared to the type of KOH packaging material. The third journal difference the amount of oxygen consumption of cricket and cockroach from the SPSS output. We can see the sig value comparison of the number cricket and cockroach oxygen consumption of 1000. Thank you.